Okay, so we've strung all that up, and I want to show you this piece here. We use a large air knocker to drive the posts in between. So all our gateways are concreted. Every now and then you'll get one that's just is knocked down too far. All you do is you weld these two, and then you just push this one back down, and then we just cut that off with a grinder, paint over it. You'd never know it was there. Now for this is hinges. So that is 250 mil long. Make sure you cut these really square, and then even once they've been cut really square, which these ones aren't really square, they're not straight, but you must cut these very straight. So we'll cut some more of these. Those are 70 millimeters long, and these ones are all 70 mil. This one's 250 mil long. So this is how they work. 3 of those go in. You weld one to the gate or the post, and the other 2 get welded. So these 2 are stationary, and that's the 3rd one. Now how do we keep our pin up and down? Just put 2 cuts in them, around about 15 mil long. Just get a shifter, bring them down to that point there, and just bend them. You can see it's very easy. Everything I do is very easy. And just bend that out there like that, that's all. Don't have to be too flash. Now, you see, there's a really good hinge I picked up working on a property, and I've used them ever since. So I'll show you how to set them, but you always set the bottom one first, then you set the middle one, because they're the 2 that will touch. And this one you always set a 3 mil above. It's okay for the gate to move up and down that little bit, but if the pipe is cut completely imperfect, as it turns, you want it to have space. So that's why you always have that little bit more space at the top. Really simple to make. Make sure that your 2 pipes, one slides inside of the other. You want around about 5 millimeter difference in space. So you've got about at least 2.5 mil on either side. And you can see just there like that. But that's not a lot of movement. Once you get that on a gate and it's hung, there's 0 movement. That's how to make a hinge.